This paper provides an in-depth review of the current state-of-the-art biodegradable implant materials and of the emerging alloys that are expected to play a significant role in the future of implantology. The mechanical properties, microstructures, and mechanical properties of biodegradable implant materials are analyzed in detail, focusing on the key issues of fast corrosion in the human body. The mechanical properties and microstructures of novel, microcontrolled cast alloys are analyzed, highlighting the promising potential for a fast biodegradable implant in the future.
This article is titled Biodegradable Orthopedic Magnesium-Calcium, MgCa, Alloys, Processing, and Corrosion Performance and was authored by Yuebin and Meisam Salahshoor.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.